Hello everyone, a very good morning to all my dear friends. So I am Namita Subha Sharma, the tarot card reader, the angel healer. The angel card reader is back for you this beautiful morning. How are you all guys doing? So today it's a wonderful day. Today is Shaptami. Seventh day of Durga Ma's Puja, seventh day of Navratri, and the seventh chakra healing. I'm a bit late because all home stuff and my daughter. I need to take care of her and then back. So let us join soon. Let me wait for a few people to join. And today, as I said, I'll be doing the angel card reading for everyone who will be putting their questions in their comment box. So those having any questions, please come up soon and leave your questions in the comment section so that while doing the reading, I can continue with the readings and help you out. What's the message for you today? What Ma Goddess Durga is saying for you on this special eve? Don't miss the opportunity to get the solution to your problems. On this day, we can energize our body to the extent of getting purification. We have already done the 6 chakras healing, right from crown, third eye, throat, heart chakra, solar plexus, and yesterday we had done the sacral chakra healing. I have always shared about the affirmations and what you should eat, what you should do, which essential oil you have to use during this chakra healings. All these has been discussed in all 2 days, and today we'll be focusing upon the base chakra, that is your root chakra. Hello everyone, just waiting for a few to join in, then we can start the chakra healing and we'll be continuing with the angel card reading. I shall be randomly taking up the readings, so you can just message your name, your date of birth in the comment section so that while we'll do the reading, we'll get to know about your solutions to the problems. Let me wait for you to join. I'm doing good. How are you doing? Anyone coming up for live? So let me see a few more joining so that we can start up with the chakra healing, continued with the angel card healing readings. Today evening all of you will be busy for pandal hopping, and though this time pandal hopping won't be possible for everyone, you can just give time to your family and bless yourself with the energies of Ma Durga on Saptami. So today is the last day of healing process. If anyone who wants me to continue can leave me a message on my inbox so that I can check it out and connect to you as soon as possible regarding it. So now, without any further delay, I shall be starting the base chakra healing. If you are facing the problem like you're not having the self-confidence within yourself, let me first discuss about the base chakra. Why it is required why should we do this healing? Base chakra is also known as कुंडलिनी, एंड ये हमारे बैकबोन के सबसे नीचे रहा जाता है. Its position is just below the backbone at the back side of our body, and it is of red color. कुंडलिनी चक्रा जो होता है वो रेड कलर का होता है एंड वो सबसे नीचे रहता है. दूसरी बात ये है, इट इज़ द चक्रा विच मेक्स यू फील grounded. The feeling of groundedness comes out from the base chakra. When you start flying high, you have got ego within yourself. That means your Kundalini chakra or this base chakra is a bit disturbed. It connects you with the ground. It connects your whole body to the ground. And any physical problems related to your leg pain, knee pain, and abdominal pain, your back pain, are all related to the base chakra. Any issues related to your nerves, it comes up. Any related to your issue related to your blood, it comes up because the imbalance of base chakra. Because it is red in color, so it is directly connected to your blood. So जब आप इस चक्रा को बैलेंस करते हो तो आपकी ब्लड सर्कुलेशन प्रोसेस अच्छे से होने लग जाती है. दूसरी बात है कि जब आपका बेस चक्रा स्ट्रांग होता है, आपके पावर्स, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ पावर जो रहती है वो बढ़ जाती है. You get the proper stamina because your blood circulation moves in the right way. Thirdly, it leads to your actual self confidence level. आपका actual self confidence इसी से बढ़ता है. Next thing I would like to say, it keeps you grounded as I said before. आपके अंदर ईगो नहीं डेवलप करने देता है, आपकी फीट को आप ज़मीन से लगा के रखता है. These are all the part of emotions and your mental status. And physically, as I said, it leads to your proper strengthened legs and knee problems जिसको होती है, उसका मतलब उसके कुंडलिनी चक्र में कुछ इम्बैलेंस है. मतलब द रेड चक्रा इज नॉट मूविंग इन द राइट वे. या तो वो चल नहीं रहा है या वो ब्लॉक हो गया है, कुछ न कुछ उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है. सो टुडे लेट्स स्टार्ट अप विथ दिस चक्रा हीलिंग. I would request everyone to keep their body hydrated while doing this healing process, and just calm down and settle down and close your eyes and just settle and settle down. Close your eyes, take deep breath and relax and feel the air you're breathing in and letting out. The wonderful air you're breathing in. Take deep breaths and leave out. Breathe in and breathe out. So wonderful. Feel the air you're breathing in. And just appreciate yourself when you're having anything. Thank yourself for this existence. As you feel the air moving into your body from your nostrils to your lungs, into your body, into your blood. Feel the positive air getting into your body. Feel your heart pumping the blood. The blood which is moving into your body is the source of the energies in your body. And now, slowly and slowly, Just feel the presence of your stomach. Feel the presence of your heart chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the sacral chakra, and move down to your legs. Now, slowly look into yourself and let's move into the garden of love and energies and blessings. While you move into the garden, you have a smiling face. Don't forget to smile. Just keep on moving inside the garden. As you move into the garden, you remember all the days you have passed in this garden in the last 6 days. You can feel the energies of the last 6 days. You're getting attracted towards these energies. And slowly, just move into the garden. Thank each of them. Appreciate the energies you are receiving. Let the crown chakra receive the positive energies from the universe today. Let your third eye chakra open up your intuition. Slowly receive the beautiful blue light for the throat chakra. You can now receive the beautiful green light for your heart chakra to heal the heart of any pains. Now receive the beautiful yellow light from the sun, from the Almighty for your solar plexus chakra, and the beautiful orange light from the Almighty for the sacral chakra. Tune those energies into your body and slowly. As you're getting ahead in the garden of love, you find a beautiful place to settle down. Today you are sitting by the side of the river. Go and sit by the side of the river. The beautiful river flowing. The wonderful noise the water is making, the soothing sound of the water is getting into your ears. And you can hear the birds chirping. We are feeling blessed to be in such a wonderful place. Slowly, just settle down by the side of the river. And all of a sudden, you see your partner. Your partner is waiting for you with open arms. You move towards your partner and give a beautiful hug to him. Slowly and slowly, you have so many things to share with your partner that you settle down with him and start sharing your feelings. You are feeling so fresh today. Your body is full of energies, positive vibrations. And now you both sit and just cool down. Slowly, if you feel like you're comfortable now, you will receive the energies from the Almighty from the universe, which is the source of all energies. Now start feeling the base chakra, the backside, just below the backbone. Just below the backbone, you can feel a beautiful red ball moving. The red chakra is moving. You can see it's moving around and round and round. If you feel like it's not moving the right way, then it's time to cleanse your chakra. If you are feeling your chakra is not active, then let's get some energies from the Almighty. Let's call upon the Almighty God. God, the source of all energies and powers, please come down with the energies. Ask God to give you the red color energies for your chakra. Now just feel as if your God, the Supreme Power, is giving you all the red color energies to your body. Just feel as if you are receiving red color light, the beautiful red blessed light, and tune that red light into your chakra. Feel as if this light is entering your base chakra. Your chakra is getting charged up now. Tune that chakra with this light. Chakra is getting charged up. This beautiful red light. The healing process is on. The beautiful red light. Just imagine a beautiful red color flower in which your red chakra is bestowed. And slowly, just feel with the beautiful light, with the blessed light, the petals of the flower is opening, just like the lotus. When it receives light, the beautiful petals of the lotus opens up, blooms up with energies. Similarly, today, your chakra, the Kundalini chakra, which is closed in a beautiful bud of flower, is getting opened. The light of the Almighty, the red light, the light of energy, the light of love. Feel the petals opening and opening and opening. See one by one the layers of love coming out. And the chakra is coming out in a beautiful way. It's just like a beautiful red apple of the red sun, which is receiving energies from the God. And the chakra is moving as you are charging up the chakra. The chakra has started moving on. You can feel that energy, the red energies passing into your body now. Your blood is pulling that energies throughout the body. Your blood circulation has improved. receiving that energies. The blood that is moving into your legs is charging up your legs. It is making it firm and strengthened. It is making you grounded. The blood that is moving up to your head is making you self-confident. It's making you active and energetic. Just feel the red light entering your body. It is creating a feeling of love into your body. And what? The most important thing, you are finding your own self. Isn't that great to see your own self getting active and vibrant? Today, your all chakras are attuned. All of your chakras are receiving the energies from the God. You are strengthening your backbone with this base chakra healing. Your base chakra has become active today. Just feel it and chant the beach mantra Lam, Lam, Lam. As you chant, your chakra is getting more energized. Lam, Lam. This spell improves the efficiency of the red light entering your body. Slowly and slowly, just ask your God, your partner, to give you the life of protection all around so that these cleansed chakras stay cleansed. Just clean up all the surroundings of your body and enter into the white light of protection. Get your body protected in the beautiful circle of white light that has been given to you by your partner, by your Almighty, by your well-wisher. In this beautiful garden where everything is positive, today you are protected from all grounds of fear. Nothing can harm you today. So see your true self today and ask yourself to stay awakened all the time. Stay energetic all the time. Stay grounded in whatever situation you are. Just chant to yourself, I am safe, I am grounded, I am secure. The feeling of insecurity arises because of this imbalance in the chakra. So today you are getting energized to secure yourself from all things, from all negativity, from all harmful energies outside. Now slowly and slowly take deep breath and ask your partner to keep you protected and to be there with you all the time when you need the help. Today just move with a happy smile and a happy face into the garden. Absorb all positivity from this garden of love. As you move into the garden, you can feel the beautiful green leaves, the beautiful flowers blooming and saying you, bloom like us, don't be disheartened in any situation. And you ask your partner to give you the protection all the time you call upon. And slowly, you make a leave from the garden, thanking to you and yourself, your Almighty, and you take a leave from the garden, getting yourself energized You thank the Almighty for the beautiful red light you received today. As getting energized to you, you feel blessed. And slowly you promise to come back again in this garden of love. And you take all good vibrations from this beautiful garden and come out from this garden. As if you feel the garden is saying you, come back again with a happy smile. Slowly and slowly. Settle down in your place. Keep your backbone straight. Feel yourself. Feel how are you? How are you feeling today now? Feel the energies. Feel all your chakras are so energized. You can recognize all your chakras today, which has been dissolved these many days. You can find them. And slowly, and slowly, and slowly come back to yourself. And settle down. Take few deep breaths. Thank your body. Appreciate your body. Show gratitude towards all the chakras you're having. And love yourself and say, I love my body. I love myself. And put down, when comfortable, just rub your hands and place it on your eyes. Just feel yourself blessed. Let these energies stay in your body. Just ask God, let the energies of positivity stay into my body. And thank yourself. It's a wonderful feeling doing this chakra healing. So friends, how did you feel after doing this healing? When you are done, just be comfortable and relax. Today we have covered the 7th chakra, that is the base chakra, Kundalini chakra healing. So in these 7 days we have completed all the 7 chakra healing. I hope you continue with this all days so that you can find yourself more active, more energetic, and don't get lazy. To be super active, you need to do this healing systems every day. You just give yourself 5 to 10 minutes and you find a beautiful change in your life. So your Kundalini chakra, as I said, is full of red color. मैंने जैसे आपको पहले भी बताया कि ये red color का होता है. So what you have to do, just like other chakras, जैसे मैंने उनके बारे में mention किया है, इस चक्रा में भी आपको red fruit खाना चाहिए. You should use red apple, tomatoes, anything that is red in color should be consumed to make this chakra active. You can have beetroot. These all make this chakra's movement into proper way. That means it will make it active and make it move in the regular way, which is actually required for your body. Secondly, using rosewood essential oil will be very helpful while doing this healing, because aroma, जो मैंने आपको कल भी बताया कि अरोमा का एक अपना रूल होता है. जब वो हम लोग अरोमा को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, जब हम लोग हीलिंग करते हैं, तो उस अरोमा से जो हम इनहेल करते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होता है, उन चक्रास को एसेंशियल ऑयल्स की स्मेल से एक्टिवनेस आ जाती है. दे फील मोर एनर्जाइज. तो जब आप इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को, रेड कलर को, यू कैन यूज़ रेड आसन जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है, जस्ट लाइक आई एम यूजिंग रेड आसन टुडे, और यू कैन यूज़ रेड क्लोथ्स टू वेयर, यू कैन यूज़ रेड स्टोन. तो दीज ऑल थिंग्स टुगेदर हेल्प यू to energize your chakras. So every day make a rule, 7 days you are gonna do the 7 chakra healing for your body. It will give a beautiful and immense result in your life. आपको फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हो ही नहीं सकती है if आपके चक्रास ट्यून में है. एंड इफ़ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू एनी मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स तो आपकी रिकवरी रेट डबल हो जाती है, बिकॉज अंदर से भी आपकी बॉडी रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही है. आप दवाई भी ले रहे हो और ऑटोमेटिकली आप अपने चक्रास को भी एक्टिव कर रहे हो, तो उन दोनों का जो कोलैबोरेशन होता है उससे अपने आप हर चीज़ें ट्रैक पे आने लग जाती हैं. तो स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. एंड द अफर्मेशन फॉर बेस चक्रा इज आई एम सेफ, आई एम सिक्योर, I feel myself grounded. You must say this to yourself every day. And Bij mantra for base chakra is Lam. So chant this mantra. Having any issues regarding leg pain, knee pain, then get a red glass water bottle. Get a red color glass. का ग्लास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ग्लास absorbs energies. तो अगर रेड कलर का ग्लास का बॉटल मिलता है, यूज़ इट, दैट विल बी वेरी परफेक्ट फॉर यू. उस वाटर को एनर्जाइज करो, चांट द मंत्रा लम एंड देन कंज्यूम द वाटर. यू कैन फील द एनर्जीज पासिंग इनटू योर बॉडी. तो जिस जगह पे आपका ये कुंडलिनी चक्रा का इफेक्ट रहता है, वो चक्रा से वो आपका इफेक्ट उस पानी से अपने आप लाइन में आ जाएगा. यू विल फील द रिकवरी सून. सो एज आई सेड कि मैंने 7 चक्रा की हीलिंग करनी है इस बार नवरात्रों में, तो आई हैव डन दिस. फॉर एनी क्वेरीज रिगार्डिंग 7 चक्रा हीलिंग यू कैन जस्ट DM to me. आई विल बी रिप्लाइंग टू यू. एंड नाउ आई शैल स्टार्ट अप विद द एंजल कार्ड रीडिंग. एज आई सेड दिस नवरात्रा आई शैल बी डूइंग द एंजल कार्ड रीडिंग फॉर एवरीवन. Those who have any queries, you can just comment your question in the comment box so that you can start up with the angel card reading. Let me wait for few to join more. Any queries, anyone, just leave your question in the comment box. I shall be surely answering to your question. Without any further delay, let's come up with the angel card readings. So what has this Navratra brought for you? What message is there in store for you this Navratra? Come on friends, anyone having any queries, just put your question in the comment section. Waiting for you to leave the questions. Anyone having any queries? I shall be doing the angel card reading. So one message for all. Anyone coming up with any questions? By the time I get any questions, I shall be doing the readings for the 12 zodiac signs. What are the messages for the 12 zodiac signs this month? How is this month gonna be for all zodiacs, the 12 zodiacs? So first of all, I'll talk about the Aries. What Ma Durga brings for you this month. What has she in store for you? Aries, you need to choose only positive thoughts about your home, your career, your finances. Don't get into negative thoughts, because your words will determine your actions. So be careful while saying anything when you are into work. So make yourself positive this month. Next, talking about the Taurus. What is in store for the Taurus? Taurus, you have a wonderful card. You receive the Ascended Masters. So this month you need to pay your attention towards the spiritual gifts. You should read some holy books in this month. It will be really helpful for you. If you have any problems regarding your mental status, you are not able to concentrate on something, then take out a holy book. It can be Hanuman Chalisa, it could be Ramcharitmanas, or in Ma Durga's part. You can take up any book and just sit with it and give your energies to the God, give your time to the God, so that you receive something in good in return from the God. So be powerful, because God is watching you, and you need to give time to your God. That is there for you this month, Taurans. Now I shall talk about the Gemini. What is in store for the Geminis? Gemini, I can see that this month you will be reading lots of books, or you will be going through so many things in this month. At the same time, if you are related to any legal work, then you must go through the papers very wisely before getting ahead into that work, because if you don't go without looking into the papers, you may lose something very important. Make sure you read and write the things in the proper way. I hope I am clear with you, Gemini. Next, Cancerians. What is in store for you, Cancerians? Cancerians, this month you will enjoy. You are receiving the card of singing and dancing. Your angels are saying, express yourself in the form of singing and dancing. So don't feel depressed. Get active. Get in the form of dancing. Whenever you are disheartened or feeling sad, just play up a music, dance, and sing out, sing loud. It will really help you. Get into a bathroom singer and make yourself happy. So keep yourself happy, Cancerians. It will be really helpful for you. Next, I shall be talking about the Leos. Anyone Leo? What is in the store for Leo? Leo, why are you so frightened? Leo doesn't mean that they are frightened. Leo means सिंह. सिंह को कभी डरना नहीं चाहिए. उनकी ज़िंदगी होनी चाहिए एकदम धाड़ फाड़. So if you are having any kind of fear within you, release them out. It's not the time to sit with fear. Get ahead and remove all your fears and play with the situation. Move ahead. Only then you will achieve your targets. And one more thing I can see, that your God is in their support for you. You just need to call upon your angels, your God, to help you, and you will receive. God can be in any form. Even your parents can be very helpful for you. So if in any dilemma, just ask help from your God. Next, talking about Virgo. Virgo, you have beautiful ideas in your brain going on right now. So just implement them. Planning and execution. Don't make a gap between the two. So if you are receiving any messages while you are doing some work, you are receiving any ideas, then bring them into execution. Only then you can see your work getting into track. So pay attention to your ideas as a message of true divine powers. So don't miss them, and make your prayer every day so that your works comes into execution. आपके अंदर प्रॉब्लम ये हो रही है कि आप प्लान तो कर पा रहे हो पर आप एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो आप रोज़ प्रे करो व्हेन यू गो टू स्लीप कि आप जो सोचते हो रात को उससे सुबह एग्जीक्यूट कर सको. आपके प्लानिंग और एग्जीक्यूशन में गैपिंग आ रही है. द एंजल्स आर सेइंग यू पे अटेंशन टू योर ड्रीम्स, बिकॉज until unless you pay attention, you cannot get the results. Now, Librans. Anyone Librans out here? Libra. These people need to pay attention to your parents. You have been asked to get the blessings of your parents every day. This month आपको कोई भी काम करना है Librans, मेक श्योर आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ के करें। एंड दूसरी बात, जब भी घर से बाहर निकलो आप अपने पेरेंट्स के पाँव छूकर ही बाहर निकलें। उससे क्या होगा, आपको पॉजिटिविटी मिलेगी एंड आपके पेरेंट्स का प्रति आपका जो अटैचमेंट है वो बढ़ाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। देयर इज़ अ मिसिंग ऑफ एनर्जीज फ्रॉम योर सुपीरियर, सो डोंट टेक थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड, get the blessings from your parents and then move out of your home. Next, Scorpio. So what is Scorpio doing? Scorpio के लिए क्या आ रहा है? Scorpio, जो कहते हो वो करते नहीं, जो करते हो वो कहते नहीं। ये इतना डिफरेंस क्यों है भाई? क्या हो रहा है आपके दिमाग में? So this month you need to pay attention about what you are speaking about. वन मोर थिंग दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप जब भी कोई काम करो तो उसमें सच बोलना, नहीं तो पकड़े जाओगे। इस महीने बहुत ध्यान रखना है आपको। एंड कोई भी थ्रोट रिलेटेड अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो एक बार डॉक्टर से ज़रूर चेक करवाना, बिकॉज आपका थ्रोट चक्रा वीक दिखा रहा है मेरे को। तो स्पीक अप ट्रूथ एंड मेक श्योर अगर थ्रोट रिलेटेड कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप डॉक्टर्स को ज़रूर दिखाओ। स्कॉर्पियंस, बी अवेयर ऑफ इट and be careful about what you are saying. Next comes the Sagittarians. Sagittarius, we are getting the blessings of Ma Durga this whole month. आपकी feminine energies बहुत strong दिखा रही है। So what you have to do this month कि आपको अपने घर की जो लेडीज़ पावर है उनको रिस्पेक्टफुली देखना है, किसी का कोई भी तरह से आपको इंसल्ट नहीं करना है। एंड दूसरी बात ये है कि आपके अंदर की जो इंट्यूशन है उसको रिस्पेक्ट करो। इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग सम इंट्यूशंस देन लिसन टू इट, सिट अलोन एंड डू वर्क अपॉन योर इंट्यूशंस। आपको कुछ ना कुछ मैसेजेस मिल रहे हैं। एंड दूसरी बात है कि आपके घर में जो भी लेडीज़ हैं उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करो and spend some time. Those who are married, spend some time with your partner. It will really help you to improve the situations that are going on. So relationships में आपको ये ध्यान रखना है। And financially I would request all of you कि respect the feminine energies and then move out of your home, तब आपका financial वाला काम बन जाएगा। Now what is in store for the Capricorn? Capricorn, you are requested to clean yourself every day. As I said, it's not only for Capricorn but for everyone. You need to clean yourself from both in and out. So ask the angels to release any toxic energies that you may have absorbed. तो आपने अगर कुछ भी कोई नेगेटिव एनर्जीज अब्जॉर्ब करके रखी है तो आपके बॉडी को आपको क्लेंस करना है एवरी डे, बोथ इन एंड आउट। नहीं तो यू मे फील वेरी लो, डिप्रेस्ड। एट द सेम टाइम नेगेटिव एनर्जीज जब हेवी हो जाती हैं बॉडी पे तो आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन आप कुछ भी गलत कर लेते हो। तो क्लीन योरसेल्फ, ओके। आपको क्या करना है, अपनी हीलिंग करनी है रोज खुद से। एंड व्हेन यू गो फॉर बाथ, put some rock salt in the water and then have a bath with that water. It will help you to cleanse your negativity. Now who are Aquarius? Aquarius, I can see a beautiful card coming up for you. Aquarians, you are receiving a card of very wonderful power. That is, you are a powerful light worker. That means wherever you go you will spread some energies, you will spread light. So this month Aquarians, आपको राइट डिसीजन देना है, बिकॉज आपके कार्ड्स बता रहे हैं कि आप जहाँ भी जाओगे अपनी छाप छोड़ के आओगे। तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपकी पॉजिटिव इम्प्रेशन बनी रहे तो थिंक पॉजिटिव एंड एवरी डे डू वन थिंग, टेक अ फ्लावर एंड पुट इट इन योर टेम्पल। इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, बिकॉज जैसे फ्लावर ब्लूम करता है वैसे ही आप भी ब्लूमिंग फ्लावर की तरह हर जगह अपना अच्छा इंप्रेशन छोड़ के आओगे। इट इज़ सेफ फॉर यू टू बी पावरफुल। योर स्पिरिचुअल पावर ब्रिंग्स ग्रेट ब्लेसिंग्स इन लविंग सर्विस टू द डिवाइन। सो स्पेंड सम टाइम इन योर टेम्पल एवरी डे, इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। जो आपके अंदर की जो आत्मा है उसको प्योर करने का समय है। सो स्पेंड सम टाइम विद द डिवाइन एनर्जीज Isn't it a great card for you, Aquarians? You should do this. आपके अंदर एक फ्लावर है, जो आपके चक्रास है, उस पर कंसंट्रेट करने का समय आ गया है. Now, what does Pisces, last but not the least, the message for Pisces? Pisces, don't get emotional this month. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप हर किसी के इमोशंस की रेस्पेक्ट करें. आपके अंदर जो भी फीलिंग्स है उसको किसी के ऊपर थोपे नहीं. आपके अंदर कोई बात है, थोपना नहीं है. यू नीड टू डिस्कस इट. ऑनर एंड रेस्पेक्ट द डीप फीलिंग्स विद इन यू एंड दैट टू जो दूसरे के है. दूसरी बात ये ध्यान रखना है कि कोई भी काम अगर नहीं बन रहा है तो उदास होकर नहीं बैठना है. आपको उस काम के लिए फिर से ट्राई करना है, बिकॉज तभी आपके काम बनेंगे. सो एंड कभी भी डिप्रेस्ड होकर डोंट लूज योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड गो एंड सिट इन सम रूम एंड स्टार्ट कर्सिंग योर सेल्फ. सबकी अपनी फीलिंग्स होती है, बट उसको कभी अपने ऊपर हावी नहीं होने देना है. तो मेक श्योर यू कीप दिस थिंग्स in your mind the whole month. So this is the thing I have been saying, the angel card readings for the 12 zodiac signs, as I have said. I hope it's clear with you all. Any queries, anyone? Pay attention to your messages. Any queries? Any questions? So today here we end up with the session of chakra healings and the angel card reading for the 12 zodiacs, as I said. Till then, I'll join you live again. Bye bye, take care. And anyone having any questions regarding anything, so you can just message me up. I'll help you out. And happy Durga Puja to everyone. Shubho Vijaya. Enjoy your day on this special eve of Shubho Vijaya. Make yourself Vijay. Hope you receive all good blessings from Ma Durga. She will be there for you all the time. Give yourself to Ma Durga. She will automatically come and help you out. Till then, bye bye. Hope this healing process, the 7 days, has helped you a lot. Keep doing it. Any problem if you are facing while doing this, you can just connect to me. I'll surely guide you, friends. So, tada, bye bye, and happy Durga Puja to everyone.